everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix privacy settings on your TikTok app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we will just dive into our video now. So what you will do is you will simply go to your TikTok app, make sure it is updated, and then once your app is open, then you will simply tap on this profile icon on your below right corner. And once your profile is open, then you will simply tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner. Tap on that and go to settings and privacy. Here you will see this second option called privacy and account section. Simply tap on that, and this particular interface will open up with all of your privacy settings provided by TikTok. So here you can see the options select private account, where you can, if you enable that, then your account will be private. If you disable that, then your account will be public, as you can see. And then you have an activity status. In my case, it's enabled. That means whenever I will be active in my account, my followers will know that I'm active. So if you do not want to show that, then you can simply disable this particular app. Want to share your accounts or just want to suggest to your friends and family, simply tap on that app. You can simply see this option, this all are enabled. If you do not want to suggest or want to choose certain one, then you can disable that particular ones, and then you will go back and see this option called sync contact and Facebook friends. If you want to sync up, then you can simply choose that option. Otherwise, then you will see this interaction section where you comments, mention and text, direct message, duets, text, sticker, downloads. This is all of the service provided on interactions. Here you can choose any of it. You can choose blocked account, where you can see the particular accounts that you have blocked and everything that you're curious about your privacy setting that you would like to set or fix on your. You will simply just do this privacy option and check any of the options that you would like to have. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.